Massive deal. Don't ignore the outstanding Keurig K Elite single-serve coffee maker and prepare for life-changing results. Welcome back to our channel, where we review the best products on the market. Today we're diving deep into Keurig K Elite single-serve coffee maker. This product has been getting incredible reviews with NA. Built to dominate and outperform everything. It features trending home product found on Google. Elevate your experience significantly. Maximize efficiency with ease. Simplify your life effortlessly. Experience comfort like never before. And the best part, it's available for just NA. The value you get for this price is absolutely unbeatable. This insane deal is ending very soon. Best price guaranteed. 50% discount in the description. The description has all the links and exclusive deals. Thousands of satisfied customers can't be wrong. Make the smart choice now. Special offer. More than 50% off using the link below. Flash sale ending in hours. Hurry. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing deals. Check the description for product links and special offers. You can get over 50% discount right now. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Hit subscribe and the bell for daily product reviews and deals. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video with more amazing deals.